2025 Husqvarna TE 300 Pro Series, a top-tier enduro motorcycle. The 2025 Husqvarna TE 300 Pro Series stands as a pinnacle in competition-focused enduro motorcycles, offering superior performance, advanced technology, and rugged durability. With a focus on delivering exceptional rideability, the TE 300 Pro is equipped with features designed for high-level racing and challenging terrains, making it a favorite choice for competitive riders. Engine and technology. At the heart of the TE 300 Pro is its lightweight yet powerful engine, weighing just 24.6 kilograms. The engine is a two-stroke unit that features Throttle Body Injection (TBI) technology, which is known for providing smooth power delivery and impressive torque. This allows riders to experience seamless performance, whether navigating tight technical sections or wide-open trails. A key highlight of the engine is its counterbalancer, which significantly reduces vibration, providing a smoother and more comfortable ride, even over extended periods. The 72mm bore cylinder is equipped with an advanced electronic exhaust control system, which is designed to maximize the bike's power output, ensuring peak performance in demanding conditions. The TE 300 Pro also features an electronic oil pump, which precisely controls the two-stroke oil delivery, improving the overall efficiency and reducing emissions, making the bike more environmentally friendly without sacrificing performance. Suspension and handling. The TE 300 Pro's steel frame is designed for maximum durability while maintaining flexibility for better handling. It comes with a set of premium WP XACT suspension components, including adjustable high-speed compression forks. This allows riders to fine-tune the suspension to their preference or the terrain they are facing, ensuring precise handling and superior comfort. The bike's lightweight, two-piece subframe and robust die-cast swingarm further enhance its handling characteristics, providing excellent rider feedback and allowing for greater control in rough environments. For added protection and durability, the TE 300 Pro comes equipped with a polyamide skid plate and frame guards to shield essential components from damage. Additionally, brake disc guards are installed to protect the braking system, ensuring consistent performance even in harsh conditions. Design and build. The Husqvarna TE 300 Pro boasts a unique, striking design with its white and black bodywork, which is not only aesthetically appealing but also durable, thanks to in-mold graphics that resist wear and tear. The bike is designed to withstand the rigors of off-road competition, with components that are built for endurance and longevity. The large 8.5-liter fuel tank allows for extended riding sessions without the need for frequent refueling, making it ideal for long races or remote trails. Ergonomics are also a key consideration in the design, with extended footrests providing better grip and stability for the rider, particularly in tough riding conditions. The bike also comes with a range of competition-ready accessories, making it a ready-to-race machine straight from the factory. Price. The 2025 Husqvarna TE 300 Pro Series comes with an estimated price of $11,899, reflecting its premium components, cutting-edge technology, and race-ready capabilities. This competitive pricing places it among the top-tier models in the enduro category, offering excellent value for serious riders who demand top performance from their machines. In conclusion, the 2025 Husqvarna TE 300 Pro Series is built to dominate the enduro scene with its high-performance engine, advanced suspension, durable design, and rider-focused ergonomics. It is a machine designed for riders looking to push the limits in competition or on challenging trails.